goes woof, and your cat goes meow. Well, other animals make sounds too, and I bet you know what they are. Can you help sing all the animal sounds? Here we go. When you're down on the farm, you can know who's who, 'cause the animal sounds make it easy for you. Just listen carefully and you will see. Now come and sing all the animal sounds with me. The cow goes moo, moo. The pig goes oink, oink. The horse goes neigh, neigh. The farmer always gets his way. The duck goes quack, quack. It swims around and round and round. If you want to have a wonderful time, sing the animal sounds. You're doing great. Now let's go to the zoo and see what kind of animal sounds we can hear there. Okay, here we go. When you go to the zoo, there's a lot to see. There's the zebras and the otters and the chimpanzee. And the zookeepers know how to find each one. They just listen for the animal sounds. It's fun. The lion goes roar, roar. The snake goes hiss, 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 hiss. The parrots go
Polly, want a cracker?
Polly want a cracker. Lovebirds do is kiss. The hyenas go and the badger is nowhere to be found. If you want to have a wonderful time, sing the animal sounds. Okay, well, that was great, but we need you to be even louder. Can you do that? This time, we're not going to make the animal sounds, so it's all up to you. I know you can do it, okay? Let's go. Now when you look in the microscope, there's so much there. 1,000,000 animals on a strand of hair. The scientists know the name of everyone. They just listen for the animal sounds. It's fun. The amoeba goes. The paramecium goes. The Naegleria fowleri goes. As it eats into your brain, cytoplasm goes. And mitosis means more cells all around. If you want to have a wonderful time, sing the animal sounds. If you want to have a wonderful time, sing the animal sounds.
Amoeba, amoeba.